Hi, I'm Carolynn Geesaman. Welcome to the Country Sampler Photo Studio. Spring is just around the corner, and if you're anything like me, you can't wait to see the tulips pop up. But why wait? Today I'm going to show you how to make a tulip out of scrapbook paper. Now, supplies you'll need for the tulip is some crafting paper, some jute or string, a pattern, some paint, a paintbrush, a pair of scissors, a skewer, a hot glue gun, and a hot glue stick. Now, I used a toilet paper roll to make my pattern, and I made two different patterns for my project. You can use scrap paper, you can use any kind of cardboard. I even used a cut up cereal box for one of my tulips. I've already painted my stick green. This is going to be my stem. And I've cut 9 flower shapes out. Now I'm using a double-sided scrapbook paper, but you can use any paper that you want. For me to have the pattern I want to show, I need to hot glue the wrong side of my paper to the wrong side of the other petal. So when I get done, I'm going to be able to open this accordion style. Now that I have my tulips all glued together, I'm going to lay them flat and take my stick and glue it down the center. And then I'm going to close my tulip around the stick. Add some hot glue.